it inspired us to start searching for our common tradition. Because Greece and Turkey have many in common. Politicians think not, but we think yes. And more than 10 years, Cigdem and I know each other, and we found out that in our common life, there are more things that connect us than the things that leave us apart. And through music, through art, these things, they can bring people together. And we started this project about finding common pieces between Turkey and Greece 4 years ago, again through the Choral Association, the European Choral Association, because we were invited to do an atelier at the Sing with Slovenia in 2021. Unfortunately, because of COVID, it didn't happen, but we did how many arrangements? We did 4 arrangements that time, and for this atelier we prepared more lively pieces for this atelier, for summertime and for joy. But this is that time, like maybe 15 years ago, we know each other, and since that time we every day live that yes, that song is we are singing together, this song, why not we are doing together? We were thinking for years. Then after that years, 4 years ago, it started, so we are very happy to realize it finally. Yes, because we never performed those pieces in the end. It is the first time that some pieces will be heard, and it is our arrangement, traditional songs that belong both in Turkish and in Greece, and people used to sing it when they were lived together under Byzantine and Ottoman Empire. But now, after the Treaty of Lausanne 1923 and the exchange of populations, now we are in different countries, but the songs are heard. So we are super emotional and very happy, and thank you for giving us the chance to present them. In Greek. It is a song talking about a clare in Turkish, an elegant
folk song that in Turkey is talking about a man from city Konya, and she loves him a lot, and she is calling him from Konya, so we are saying Konyalı. And because she loves a lot, everybody says to see him walk, walk my dear, and I will see you walk. And in Turkish we say yürü, yürü, and I see you, show yourself to me. So we will say yürü to man. And in Ibrahim, the Greek version, he is showing his plant, a very special traditional plant that we call shalvar, very large, and it shows how you reach. If you have more fabric here, so it shows you are very rich. So man says, in this song, it defines these very big plants. They say, so it is very nice. So they say,
Constantinople, showing different places, lighting different places of Istanbul, and saying that I'm in love with a girl and I will drink wine and get drunk because of her. These are the texts we have in Greece. The interesting thing is that in Turkey they don't have any words for this. It is only instrumental. Same melody plus some extra melody that we don't have. So in our arrangement, we combine the instrumental part from Turkey with non-singers and the Greek part, atelier. A bit difficult piece for 3 days or 2, but these are arrangements to stay and be further rehearsed Big Salon Fidanları, Turkish, Psychopor Psychoklim in Greek. It belongs to this 20th century traditions, the beautiful song from the neighbor country. We liked it, we took it, and we put Greek words. So it was not one of the pieces that it was sang for centuries in both countries, but a newest tradition. It is a çift telli dance from Tokat area in Turkey, and Stelios Kazantzidis, in end of the 50s, he has put Greek words. And he was from a refugee family from Pontus, the Black Sea, and Aytepe. So, enjoy.